Hello everyone, and welcome back to this channel. And today we're doing a comparison between Autoentry and Wave. This is the bookkeeper's dream team. Comparison. Want to see which of them is best for you? Are you tired of your receipts and invoices staging a takeover? Well, automation is king, but do you need a data crunching specialist or an all-in-one financial suite? Today we're breaking down Autoentry versus Wave. We want to find out which one is the ultimate sidekick for your business. Let's get started. Let's look at their superpower. Autoentry has superpower that makes it a master of data extraction. It reads, sorts, and posts data from receipts and bills, while Wave is the all-in-one powerhouse. It does accounting, invoicing, payroll, and receipt scanning. Let's look at who or what they're best for. Autoentry is best for businesses that are drowning in paper that use other accounting software like XERO or QuickBooks. While Wave is for freelancers and small businesses that need a free, complete accounting solution from scratch. When we look at the key differences, Autoentry is a specialist tool, not a full accounting suite. It feeds data into your main system. While Wave is the main event, it's your entire accounting system with automation built in. Next, let's look at the automation level. That of NetSuite is 10 out of 10 for data entry because it reduces manual entry to 0, while that of Wave is 8 out of 10 for overall workflow. It handles invoicing, payments, and basic scanning. When we look at the last feature, which is pricing, Autoentry is subscription based. You pay for your automation, while Wave is free core accounting features that makes money on payment processing. So here's a simple breakdown. Think of Autoentry as your super efficient robotic data entry intern. It's a genius, has one job, which is digitizing your paperwork to save you hours. Wave, on the other hand, is your entire free virtual accounting department. It does it all, including its own solid receipt scanning. But the big question is, do you need a brilliant specialist or a complete free solution? The verdict: you already use accounting software and just hate data entry? Then Autoentry is a game changer. But if you're starting from zero and need a powerful, free all-in-one system, then choose Wave. Let me know in the comments, are you team specialist or team all-in-one? If this video saved you future headaches, smash that like button and subscribe for more app showdowns. Until next time, conquer your cash flow.